Hello and welcome to the UI UX design course created by Elijah Hub. This is Module 1, Lesson 1, Understanding UI and UX. Lesson 1, Understanding UI and UX. We are diving deep into the world of UI and UX design. We are going to unpack the terms UI, UX. We are going to understand the key differences and explore why they are crucial for creating winning digital products. Now, what is UI? Also known as user interface. Imagine you are walking into a brand new restaurant. The UI, user interface, is everything you can see and interact with. The ambience, the layout, the menu, the cutlery. It's the stage where the entire dining experience unfolds. In the digital world, the UI is the user interface, the virtual layer of a product that users interact with. It includes buttons and menus, virtual elements like icons and images, text and typography, layout and spacing, color schemes, and all that. Now, think of your favorite mobile app. The icons you tap on, the search bar, the search bar you use to find information, the font you use to read, that is all part of the user interface. Same also, what is UX? Also known as user experience. Now, let's go back to our restaurant example. The UI is the beautiful ambience, but the UX is the entire dining experience. It encompasses how easily you can find a table. That is one. Number two, how intuitive the menu is to understand. Number three, how friendly and helpful the staff is. Number four, how quickly your food arrives. Number five, the overall feeling of satisfaction you live with. Now, the UX is much broader than just the visuals, what you can see. It's about the entire journey a user takes when interacting with the product. It considers usability, information architecture, user emotions, and how effectively the UI facilitates the user's goals. Now, let's understand the difference between UI and UX. We're going to be using a website as an example. We're going to solidify the difference with a real world example, like I mentioned, a website. Now, in the website, the UI user interface is the website layout, the colors that is used, the size and style of the buttons, the font of the text. All what you can see on the site is the user interface. But the UX is how easy it is to find the information you are looking for, how intuitive the navigation is, how quickly the website loads, and how satisfied you feel after finding the information. There are some websites that when you log into them, it will be very, very hard for you to find what you are looking for. That is, they might have a good UI but a bad user experience. Why are UI and UX important? Why are they important? In today's digital landscape, users have high expectations. A visually appealing website with a confusing layout, that is, if it has a great UI but poor UX, will likely be abandoned. Here is why strong UI UX design is crucial. Number one, for usability. Users can easily find what they need and complete tasks intuitively. This translates to a smooth and frustration-free experience. Number two, why UI and UX are important. User satisfaction. A positive UX leads to happy users who are more likely to return and recommend the product. Number three, for brand recognition. A consistent UI reinforces your brand identity and creates a sense of familiarity for users. Lastly, for business success. Effective UI UX design leads to higher user engagement and conversions, ultimately boosting your bottom line. There you have it. UI and UX are two sides of the same coin. They work together to create successful digital products. A strong UI grabs attention, while a well-crafted US keeps users engaged and coming back for more. So, in the next lesson, we delve deeper into the core design principles that make UI and UX truly effective. So, stay tuned for lesson 2.